Hellcat.
Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So tonight lesson 3 sa ating abstract algebra 1. So this topic is all about 1.2 groups, definitions, and example. So moreover dito sa topic na ito pag-uusapan natin yung structure ng group. So na isang set together with binary operation rather. So kumbaga bago natin siya ma-determine as group. Okay, so let's have definition number 1 kasi 1.2 na siya. So definition number 1, let G be a non-empty set group together with the binary operation asterisk and G. So meaning define na yung asterisk dito. So meaning yung non-empty set G natin define na yung kanyang binary operation. So just like dun sa isang definition in previous video. Okay, so number 1, so again given na siya ay define na yung binary operation or yung asterisk sa binary operation na. So number 1, associative. So kung napansin mo, nasabi ko na to sa previous video, pero dito kasi yung formal definition niya or para structure niya. So associative, so if G, asterisk, so ito usually talaga yung ating notion or notation para sa isang structure. G, asterisk satisfies, ito yung nakalagay, for all A, B, C element of G. So we have A asterisk B asterisk C is equal to A asterisk B asterisk C, then G is called semigroup. So again, if sinasatisfy niya yung pagiging yung associativity, therefore yung G, asterisk natin is a semigroup. Yan yung unang structure natin. So again if siya ay define na yung binary operation, then ang sunod mong gagawin is pag nag-satisfy yung condition o yung condition ni associative, ang tawag sa ating G, asterisk is semigroup. Okay, number 2, existence of an identity element. If G, asterisk is a semigroup, so meaning, ano nangyari? Bago ka mag-test papuntang bago ka mag-test papuntang existence of identity element, ang gagawin mo muna, syempre, dadaan ka talaga ka semigroup. So, again, another thing, bago ka magpunta ka semigroup, i-test mo muna kung siya ay binary operation. So, kaya ko nga siya, step by step din tinuro sa inyo. Okay, so again, binary operation, test mo yung pagiging semigroup, then i-test mo ngayon na identity element, which is, this is it. So, there is an element E, element ng G. So okay, so such that for every A element of G, we have A asterisk E is equal to E asterisk A is equal to A. So kung napansin mo, pinagsama na dyan yung left and right identity. Okay, then G is called monoid. Okay, so again, the G is called monoid. So monoid pag meron siyang identity. Okay, next is existence of an inverse element. If G, asterisk is a monoid, okay, so meaning siya ay define binary operation, semigroup, or associative. Tapos sunod is may identity element or monoid na siya. Okay, then for every A element of G, there exists A raised to negative 1, or that ang basa dyan is A inverse element of G. Again, A inverse ang basa dyan, such that A asterisk A inverse is equal to A inverse asterisk A is equal to E, then G is said to be a group with respect to the operation asterisk. So tatlo yung pagdadaanan. So actually 4 yung pagdadaanan para masabi mong group ang isang structure, ang isang set together with its binary operation. So again, kung umabot ka lang hanggang associativity, meaning structure lang siya, which means siya ay semigroup lang. Okay, so sir, paano po kung umabot lang siya ng binary operation? So, siyempre sabihin mo lang, none of this lang siya. So, kasi wala man talaga siya totally part nung mga yun. Okay, so, ayan yung mga test natin. So, we have remark dito. So, may mga remark tayo dito. Number 1. So, yun nga, nasabi ko na yata, no? From the above definition, we see that every group is a monoid. Every monoid is a semigroup. Okay, so, tama naman, no? Every group is a monoid. Bakit? Kung group ka, automatic may identity element ka. Automatic may semigroup ka or associative ka. Excuse me, naano ko sa tubig. Okay, then number 2, a group is a non-empty set on which binary operation asterisk has been defined such that the properties of associativity, existence of identity element, and existence of inverse elements are satisfied. So same lang yun. Okay, kumbaga parang ito yung summarize lang niya. So sabi nga na, a group is a non-empty set on which binary operation is defined. Okay, or has been defined such that the properties of associativity, existence of identity element, and existence of inverse elements are satisfied. So meaning ito yung parang isa sa definition natin ng group. So for example, pinadefine ko what is a group. A group is a non-empty set G in which binary operation asterisk has been defined, then blah 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 blah. So saan galing yung mga properties na to? Ito yung galing sa definition 2 natin. Okay, so from previous video. Okay, so para mas maintindihan nyo, meron tayo ditong mga example. Okay, so determine if the given set is a semi-group, a monoid, a group, or none of this with respect to the operation. Okay, so napansin mo, ang naka-example is matrix. Okay, so walang malabo dito, walang hindi pwedeng pumasok dito. So minsan pwede ko lagyan ng calculus yan. So meaning yung mga integrable function yung loob ng set. So possible natin gawin yan dito. Okay, so dito gagawin natin, syempre una is i-test natin siya. Okay, so test for binary operation. So again, determine, so meaning hindi natin kailangan i-prove. Okay, so una, meron tayong G. So we have G is equal to the set containing a 2x2 matrix. So actually that is a diagonal matrix. Okay, so dun sa main diagonal. Okay, so 0, 0 yun. So this is a 2x2 matrix which is diagonal matrix. Tapos yung A and B are even integers. So alam mo yung mga element yan. And let asterisk be a matrix addition. So napakasimpleng bagay lang niya. Okay, so paano pag matrix? Paano magle-let ng ganito dito? So let tayo dito. Kasi una natin test is binary operation. Kung siya ba ay close under the binary operation addition ng matrix operation. So let muna tayo dito. So lagay natin test for binary operation. So lagi tayo let A and B. So let A and B element of G. O sir, bakit capital A and B? Capital A and B siya kasi matrix yung pinag-uusapan. Yung laman ng set natin is a matrix. Okay? So meaning, alam mo, ever ka na pag matrix, pinapangalanan natin is capital letter din. Okay, so or uppercase letter. So meaning ito yung nilet ko. So let A and B element of G such that, so mag-provide ka ng sufficient condition. So kung such that, lagyan mo A is equal to the matrix A 0 0 B A, tapos and B is equal to C 0 0 D. Okay, where lagay mo na lang where A, B, C, and D are all element of 2 or even integers. Okay, so meaning, naglet ako ng A and B element of G with pasok na ganyan such that dinefine ko pa kung ano itsura nila, in which yung itsura nila is A is equal to A. So matrix na 2x2, no square matrix 2x2, that is A 0 0 B 0 C 0 0 D, where A, B, C, D are 2Z, element ng 2Z. Ano yung 2Z? Even integers. Okay, so ano yung asterisk? That is matrix addition. So ang tanong is A asterisk B ba is element of G? Ito yung unang tanong, no? So consider A asterisk B. Okay, so by definition, this is just equal sa A 0 0 B plus, so equal to, sorry, to is C 0 0 D. Okay, so by definition, nilagay ko na yung matrix tapos kasama yung matrix addition o yung ating asterisk. Next is by addition of square matrix, since conformable naman sila. Okay, so this is A plus C, then 0, then 0, then B plus D. Okay, note, so lagay ko lang, since A and C is element of even integers, then lagay ko na lang, then A plus C is also an element of 2 even integers. Okay, so as A plus D. Also, lagay ko na lang, also B plus D. element ng 2 integers. Ano, 2 even integers, 2 integers ako ng 2 integers, sorry. So again ha, so sir, ba't mo nilagyan ng ganyang condition? So ito kasi, anong nangyari, dalawang matrix with diagonal square matrix, 2 by 2 diagonal square matrix with even entries. Okay, so pag pinag-add ko yon, obviously ay nangyari. So ngayon ito yung tanong, ito ba ay 2 by 2? Yes, 2 by 2 yan. Okay, so pasok pa. Next, yung entry ba nila is diagonal. Yes, diagonal siya. Okay, yung main diagonal ba yung mga entries nun rather is even. So yung A plus C ba even? Yes sir. Since A and C is even, therefore A plus C is even. So as yung B plus D, even din yun. So meaning ito ay even. So therefore, this implies that A plus C 0, 0, B plus D is an element of G. Okay, so A asterisk B is an element of G. Okay, so therefore binary operation is defined. So binary, so binary, mali ako spelling, binary operation has been defined or is defined under G. Okay, so to be specific, G2L. So may tawag dyan, nakalimutan ko lang eh. So later on may tuturo ko sa inyo ano ba yung paano natin i-name yung mga ganyan. So meaning, alam na natin siya ay binary operation. So pwede na tayong pumunta sa next test. Okay, so for next test, test for semigroup. So ito medyo mahaba. Okay, so again, ito medyo mahaba na siya, no? So since test for semigroup, since alam natin siya ay defined sa binary operation, maglilit tayo ng tatlong element dito kasi sa semigroup kailangan natin siya ay A asterisk B asterisk C. Okay, so check natin. Maglit tayo dito, no? So ganun pa rin, let natin na A, B, and C element of G such that nakayan ko na lang A is equal to A0, 0, B. B is equal to C0, 0, D. And C is equal to E. Okay na yun, E. 0, 0, F. Okay, where or for some A, B, C, D, E, F element ng even integers. Okay, so ang obvious naman nito, no, na mangyari lang is since addition, mag-add lang talaga sum up siya. So I guess pwede nating hindi naman totally skip. So parang ganito na lang. Kumbaga if we have A asterisk B asterisk C is equal to A dito, sorry, A asterisk B asterisk C. So, ang total na mangyayari lang is ganito. Una dito. So, una is A0, 0B plus C0, 0D. Tapos naka-group siya dyan. Tapos plus E0, 0F. Okay, kumbaga magiging result lang dito is ganito. So in totality ang result lang that is A plus C plus E 0 0 B plus D plus F. Okay, kumbaga i-add ko yan, remove ko yung grouping symbol, ayun yung mangyari. And note that A plus C plus E and B plus D plus F is also even integers pa rin yan. Okay, kahit ano kayo natin kasi lahat yan ay even entries or even integers. Okay, so as dun sa isa na if we have A 0, 0, B, okay, then plus this is C 0, 0, D. So sila yung nakagroup nito. E 0, 0, F. Ginroup ko siya. So kung mga pinaghiwalay ko, so papansin mo, ito yung una, ito yung A asterisk B asterisk C. Solve ko, ito yung mayari. Ito naman na isa, ayan naging group ko. So magiging result lang din, ganito lang din siya. So this is A plus C plus E, obvious yan, 0, then B plus D plus F. Okay, so meaning, kaya ko na lang, so, asterisk, sorry, mali pala. So, asterisk is associative. Okay, so associative muna. So, mamaya mo nalagay na siya ay semigroup. So, ilalagay mo siyang semigroup once na natapos. So, for example, pagdating ng monoid, tinest mo, walang lumabas na identity element. So, meaning, ibig sabihin nun, siya ay semigroup. I-conclude mo na, this group is only a semigroup. Tama, a semigroup lang. Ganun lang siya. This structure is only a semigroup. So, for the meantime, associative lang muna. So, next is, therefore, identity element exists. Tapos, kung hindi siya lumabas na inverse, so meaning siya ay monoid lang. So, ganun natin gawin. Okay, so since test, hindi kasi siya proving. Okay, so per test for semigroup, o test for monoid, okay, so let tayo dito. So let A and E element of G. Okay, so such that, so dapat dinidefine mo siya talaga totally. Such that A is equal to, this is A0, 0, B. So I guess tama na yan para dyan. Okay, so consider natin, so like lang dito, for some A and B element ng even integers. Okay, so consider natin si A asterisk E is equal to A. So pwede ka na mamili. So dito kasi pagdating sa existence of identity element, ang nakalagay sa kanya A asterisk E, E asterisk A is equal to A. So pwede ka mamili sa tatlo. So pwedeng equate mo yung A asterisk E is equal to E asterisk A, or E asterisk A is equal to A, or A asterisk E is equal to A. So kumbaga pili ka na lang kung ano yung equate mo, tapos hanapin mo yung value ng E. So tulad ko, ito yung pinili ko. Okay, so meaning hanapin ko yung value ng E. So obviously by definition, this is just A0, 0, B. Okay, then plus E. So di ko nilagay ko ano siya. This is equal sa A0, 0, B. Okay, and obviously this is just equal sa A0, 0, B. Okay, minus A0, 0, B. Okay, which is equal sa E is just equal sa yung ating 0 matrix. Okay, kasi A minus 0. So ngayon, ito yung tanong. Siya ba ay element pa rin ba ng G? Siya ba ay 2 by 2 square matrix? Yes, sir. Siya ba ay diagonal matrix? Yes, sir, diagonal matrix. Ano yung entry ng kanyang main diagonal? 0, 0. Ngayon, yung 0, 0 ba? Even. Yes po, even yan. Therefore, this is an element of G. Okay. So, ganoon siya mag-test. So, identity element exists. So, identity element exists. Okay. So, lastly is we need to find A inverse. So, kasi ayun na test nga natin Determine if the given set is a semigroup, a monoid, a group, or none of this. So, as of now, siya ay semigroup. Actually, as of now, siya ay monoid na. Kasi lagpas na tayo sa monoid. Kumbaga, nag-exist sa identity element. So, meaning, alam natin na siya ay monoid na. So, last thing is to test if that is a group. So, which means na isa-solve natin yung inverse. So, hanapin natin yung inverse natin. So, dito na lang, no? So, let natin. So, test for group. So, kasi group na to. So, gonna let A and E and A inverse element ng G. Okay, such that si A is equal to A0, 0, B, and si E, given na si E is yung 0, 0, 0. Yun na solve na natin. So, where A and B element ng even integers. Okay, so since naman nakuha ko na yung identity element, pwede mo siyang gamitin pagdating sa test for group. So hindi niya sa pwede kong suggest sa inyo. So since lumabas na siya, anong next natin gagawin? Kukuha tayo doon. So note, kung naalala nyo, ang condition is A asterisk A inverse is equal to A inverse asterisk A is equal to E. So pumili na lang kayo dyan sa tatlo na yan. So for example, pinili ko lang is A asterisk inverse tapos E. So meaning consider ko lang to. So consider si A asterisk A inverse is equal to E. Okay, so sir, bakit capital letter? Kasi nga matrix yung pinag-uusapan. So parang hindi malito. So anong gagawin natin dito? So obviously sir, this is just equal lang sa A0, 0B plus A inverse. So hindi ko kasi siya alam. Then this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Note that this is A inverse is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Then minus this is A0, 0, B. Okay? And obvious ang sagot, this is A inverse is equal to negative ng A0, 0B. Okay? Or pwedeng ganito, this is, pasok natin negative, this is negative A0, 0, negative B. Okay, so ang tanong, ito ba ay element ng ating G? So again, ano yung G? Set ng 2x2 matrix, square matrix to be specific, tapos main diagonal lang siya, so diagonal matrix along main diagonal. Yung entry ng main diagonal is even integers. So tanong, yung negative A and negative B ba are even integers? Yes, provided sir na si A and B is even integers, therefore si negative A saka si negative B even integers pa rin. So therefore, this is an element of G. Okay, so therefore, conclude na natin, since natapos, nababas kasi yung inverse natin, kumbaga nagkaroon tayo ng conditional formula para sa inverse. Okay, so therefore, ano mangyari? So therefore, yung ating G, so ating G, asterisk is a group. Okay, so obviously siya ay semi-group monoid, tapos may binary operation. Okay, so no need to write down symbol kasi hindi ko naman pinaprove. So pag pinaprove, walang nakalagay na test. Okay, then tuloy-tuloy lang yun. Okay, so for number 2, so let G be the set of integers not including negative 1. Okay, then A asterisk B is equal to A plus B plus AB. So medyo familiar siya dun sa ating isang example. So kung napansin nyo, A plus B minus AB yun. Pero nagkaroon na dumating sa point na hindi siya na-satisfy pagdating sa kanyang identity since meron tayong 1 doon. Tama. So dito nagkaroon siya ng restriction. So napansin mo negative 1 yung nilagay. So baka yan yung hinahanap natin na restriction. Okay, so test for binary operation tayo. So by the way, pagkakaalala ko, kasi hindi ko na masyado matandaan So pagkakaalala ko talaga, yung binary operation, pwede mo siyang pangalanan as magma. So for example, yung binary operation is defined sa isang set. Ang tawag sa kanya magma. So pangalawa semi-group. Tapos semi-group monoid, then group. Okay, so pagkakalala ko magma, pero mas mabuti na test for magma, test for binary operation tayo kasi wala naman talaga nakalagay dun sa definition based dun sa lagay natin. So kung naalala ko lang dati, parang nasabi sa amin yun. Okay, so proceed tayo dito. So test for binary operation. Test for BO. Okay, so ulit tayo. So ito, tulad nung kanina, so hindi sa lahat ng oras i-define ko yung set So kumbaga kanina kasi kaya ako nagde-define, kung napansin nyo, since A and B are both matrices, tapos meron pa certain condition, kumbaga meron pa siya extent na form sa loob, dinidefine ko para talaga mas maintindihan nyo. Dito, since alam ko na siya ay integers lang, not including negative 1, so kahit hindi ko na-define yung dalawang bagay pag nag-distinct ako or nag-let ako ng variable. Okay, so dito po tayo, no? So let A and B element ng G. So let A and B element ng G. Okay, so no need na ako mag-provide ng kahit ano. So kahit anong sufficient. Kasi alam ko na A and B are integers not equal to negative 1. Alam ko na yan. So consider si A asterisk B. So ayan yung una natin tanong. Si A asterisk ba element ng G? Okay, so check natin. So, paano ba natin malalaman na siya ay element ng G? So, sir, isa-solve po natin, tapos, kaso ano mangyari? Pag sinolve natin, ang lalabas lang, A plus B plus AB. So, without knowing na kung ano yung lalabas. Okay? So, tingin mo, paano natin siya sa-solve? Okay, so, naalala ko na paano ko show, no? So, ganito show natin siya by contradiction para dito. So, sa part na to, so parang sub-contradiction na siya sa loob. So, suppose, so by contradiction, so, okay, so assume that A asterisk B is equal to negative 1. Okay, so, pag nagkaroon tayo ng certain condition na pumayag siya, ibig sabihin, hindi siya binary operation under dyan. Okay, so, by definition of binary operation, this is A plus B plus AB is equal to negative 1. So, assume we need to solve for the value of A lang. So, this is A plus AB is equal to negative 1 minus B. Kasi transpose ko. Then, factor out ko si A. So, this A times 1 plus B is equal to negative ng 1 plus B. So, pwede ko mag-divide ng 1 plus B both side. Bakit? Yung integers kasi, yung laman ng yung A and B, element ng integers not including negative 1. Okay, so since si B hindi pwede maging negative 1, therefore, pwede natin siya i-divide doon. Okay, so meaning ang mangyari, this is A is equal to negative of 1 plus B over 1 plus B, which is equal sa A is equal to negative B, which is a contradiction. Tama? Kasi nga, anong nangyari, in-assume natin na A asterisk B is equal to negative 1. Upon solving, nakakita tayo na A is equal to negative 1, which is contradiction dito. Si A kasi, element ng G, which is not equal to negative 1. Pero nangyari, that is A is equal to negative 1. Therefore, so lagi ka na lang, no? So, A asterisk B is an element of G. Okay, so ganun siya kasimple. So, next is test for semigroup. So, ito medyo mahaba. So, I guess, i-work ko both side. So, para mapadali tayo or makita natin ano mangyari. So, check natin. Or I guess, paghihiwalayin ko. So, consider natin una. So, let tayo, no? So, let A, B, and C element ng G natin. Okay, so, consider natin C, A asterisk B asterisk C is equal sa A asterisk B asterisk C. Okay, so pili ka na lang. For example, ginawa ko to equation 1. So, gawin mo na lang yun, equation 1 equation 2, tapos check mo na lang kung equal after. So, for equation 1, so solve natin to. So, we have A asterisk B asterisk C. So, equal lang to sa A plus B plus AB. Okay, then asterisk C. Then solve ulit natin, that is A plus B plus AB. Plus AB. Okay, plus C. Then plus AB. A plus B plus AB times C, which is equal lang sa A plus B plus C plus AB plus AC plus BC plus ABC. Okay, so yan equation 1, yung reduced form na equation 1. So, note natin equation 2. So, lagay sa taas. So, what is equation 2? Equation 2 is, A asterisk ng B asterisk C. Okay, then solve natin si B asterisk C muna, no? That is equal sa A asterisk ng B plus C plus BC. Then this is equal sa A plus B plus C plus BC plus A times B plus C plus BC. Okay, so note that this is A plus B plus C, tama, plus BC plus AB plus AC plus ABC, which is equal dito. Okay, so therefore, asterisk is associative. So semi-group na siya. So aware na tayo na siya ay semi-group. So next is test for monoid. So test for monoid. Okay, so test for monoid, kunin natin. Di ba nga let tayo, no? So we have let A and E element of G. So let A and B element of G such that, ito gawin natin, A asterisk E is equal to E asterisk A is equal to A. Ayun, tinaalala ko na paano mag-prove. Okay, then consider natin. So consider si A asterisk E is equal to A. So by definition, this is just equal sa A plus E plus AE is equal to A, which means that this is E plus AE is equal to 0 kasi A minus 0, A minus A is 0. Then factor out mo E, so this is E, then 1 plus A is equal to 0. Note na A cannot be negative 1, so pwede tayo mag-divide. Tama? So since A cannot be equal sa negative 1 kasi element siya ng integers na not equal to negative 1, okay? So therefore, pwede tayo mag-divide. So meaning, E is equal to 0, which is also an element of G pa rin. Kasi 0 part nun. Okay? So therefore, identity element exists. Identity element exists. Okay, so last is yung ating inverse. So test for group. So again, di na naman kasya. Di ko na napapansin yung spacing nisa. So test for semi-group. Test for group rather. Test for group. Okay, so paano ulit yun? Lagay ko na dito, no? Let A inverse and E element ng G such that, lagay mo to condition na to, A asterisk A inverse is equal to A inverse asterisk A is equal to E. So pili na lang tayo dyan. So consider si A asterisk A inverse is equal to E. So gamitin yung formula. This is A plus A inverse plus A inverse is equal to, yung E is 0. Okay, so pinalit ko siya. So next is, we need to solve for A inverse. So meaning, transpose natin A, that is negative A sa kabila. So this is A inverse plus A inverse is equal to negative A. Factor out kay A inverse, that is equal sa 1 plus A is equal to negative A. And obviously, pwede ulit tayo mag-divide yan. So again, A to. Okay, so therefore, A inverse is equal to negative A over 1 plus A. Ngayon, ito yung tanong, integer ba yan? Okay, so ito yung tanong, integer ba yan? So, sure ba tayo na integer yan pagdating doon? Na sure ba tayo na element pa rin ba siya ng ating inverse, ng G, o yung integer? So, for example, if we set that A is 1, kasi posible yon, okay? So, nari lang if A is 1, what is A inverse? A inverse, sabi ng formula, that is just negative 1 over 2, which is not an element of G. Okay, so therefore, ano masasabi nyo? This is not an element of G. Okay, so therefore, this is not a group. So ano siya? This is just a monoid. So therefore, lagay na natin, so hindi siya group, so walang inverse siya. So meaning, yung inverse na hindi element ng G. Yun ang ibig sabihin. So again, may inverse yung ating mga element sa loob ng G, pero wala sa loob ng G. Again, may inverse sila based sa formula na lumabas. Pero hindi sila nag-exist sa loob ng ating G. Okay, so therefore, gaya ko lang dito, no? Dahil nung narating, therefore, G comma asterisk. Okay, so G comma asterisk is a monoid. Monoid only. Okay, so ganun siya kasimple. Okay, so for number 3, let G be the set containing 2 raised to K such that K is an element of integers. So ano yung laman ng set na to? Ang laman ng set na to is something na yung mga element na 2 raised to something. So ito yung mga even number. So even number na 2 raised to power, parang ganun. So, for example, 2 raised to negative 2, possible yun. 2 raised to negative 1, 2 raised to negative 10, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 7, 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 0, pasok dyan. Okay, so element pa rin niya si 1. So, okay, mag-alala. Okay, so then ang kanyang asterisk o yung kanyang binary operation, which is A cross A asterisk B is equal to AB, or meaning the multiplication of A and B. Okay, so anong gagawin natin dito? Syempre, test natin yung kanyang binary operation if pasok sa ating condition. Okay, so try natin. Try ko pagkasyahin. So lilitan din ni sir konti. So using ko lang yung position. So test for BO or binary operation. Okay, so once na walang nakalagay na prove or something, so hindi mo kailangan, pag may nakalagay na proof brother, dapat di mo nalalagay yung test for BO, test for semi-group, test for monoid, or test for group. Okay, so automatic na sunod-sunod dyan, hindi mo siya ipoprove. So dito, since wala namang proving na nakalagay, itatest lang natin. So let A and B, so dito ko na lang start. So let A and B element ng ating G. Okay, so such that, so since meron siyang ibang structure, yung element ng G natin is something nakakaiba. So para mas maintindihan natin, let A and B element of G such that A is equal to 2 raised to M and B is equal to 2 raised to N. Okay, din for some. Okay, so for some N and M and N element ng integers. Okay, so at least naset ko siya ng maayos. Okay, so kumaga nagkaroon na ako ng setting na let A and B element of G. So anong klaseng A and B yan? Since G is ganun yung form, yung A is equal to 2 raised to M, B is equal to 2 raised to N, for some M and N element ng integers. So pasok tayo dyan sa condition. So alam na natin na yung ating mga element na kinuha is ganun. Okay, now consider natin. So let us consider, si A asterisk B. Okay, so ang goal ko sa atin, malaman natin kung yung A asterisk B is element ng G. So this is probably equal sa 2 raised to M, okay, multiplied by 2 raised to N. So anong ginawa ko? Pinalitan ko na yung A ng 2 raised to M, yung B ng 2 raised to N. Then yung asterisk, pinalitan ko na ng multiplication kasi multiplication lang totally. So sabat na lagay ka. So denote lang, magkadikit sila. Now, since parehas ng base, sabi ng law of exponent, pag parehas ng base, this is just equal sa 2 raised to M plus N. Okay, now since, lagay ka dito, since aware tayo na si M at N ay element na integers, therefore, yung M plus N is also an element of integers. So meaning, so lagay ka lang, so meaning yung 2 raised to M plus N is also an element of G. So part din siya nun. Okay, so maaaring magtatanong ka, sir, what if po mas malaki yung N sa M? So okay lang yun. For example, yung M ko is 1, yung N ko is negative, or for example negative isa dyan. Kung isa sa kanila negative, okay pa rin, kasi 2 raised to negative something is pasok. At the same time, sir, paano kung yung M ko 2, yung N ko is negative 2, that is 2 raised to M plus negative 2, that is 2 raised to 0. Sir, si 2 raised to 0 pasok ba dyan? Kasi 1 po yun eh. Yes, pasok pa rin si 1 dyan, or si 2 raised to 0. Okay, so therefore, ito ay element ng G. Okay, therefore, si A asterisk B is element of G. Okay, so it is obvious na siya ay natawag nating dito binary operation on the set G. Okay, so hoping na mapagkasya ko siya. So dahil nga limited yung space, di ko talaga totally na-touch yung given o yung buong flow ng magiging discussion, kasi on the spot, totally on the spot ko talaga inano. So I'm expecting na dapat maikli lang, pero ayun nga, dahil nga pala starting pa lang tayo, talagang mahaba siya. Kailangan ko ng konting scratch. So kayo, I think i-adjust nyo lang, dagdag na lang kayo, or liitan nyo konti yung sulat nyo para dyan. Okay, so proceed tayo dito. So, proceed tayo sa semigroup. So, test for semigroup. Test for semigroup. Okay. So, sa semigroup, sa test for semigroup, tatlo yung kailangan natin, no? So, ang goal natin doon sa test for semigroup, mag-let tayo ng tatlong element. So, let A, B, and C element of G. Okay, so such that, so si A is equals sa 2 raised to M, si B equals sa 2 raised to N, and si C is equals sa 2 raised to K. Okay, then this is for some K, for some N and K element of integers. So again, integers, not just positive integers. Okay, so for test for the semigroup, so kung meron kang A, B, C element of G, ang goal natin is that mapakita natin na yung A asterisk B asterisk C is equal to A asterisk the quantity of B asterisk C. Okay, so consider natin or consider yung buong equation. So I guess pwede natin gawin dito. So this is A asterisk B asterisk C. So nagkabaliktad lang. Okay lang din naman yan. This is A asterisk B asterisk C. Okay, then apply lang natin yung ating binary operation at the same time substitute yung value o yung element. So this is just 2 raised to M. Okay, then asterisk is just multiplication. Then this is 2 raised to N multiplied by 2 raised to K. Okay, this is equals sa 2 raised to M multiplied by 2 raised to N multiplied by 2 raised to K. So obviously, dahil multiplication, ano mangyari? I-multiply lang natin or i-add lang natin yung mga kanilang exponent kasi nga same basis sila lahat. Okay, so therefore, this is just equals sa 2 raised to M plus N plus K is equals sa 2 raised to M plus N plus K. Okay, so meaning, so asterisk is associative. Okay, so next is kailangan natin i-test kung siya ay monoid. Tama. So for monoid, test for monoid, ayaw magsulat ng aking ballpen, sorry. Yan, okay na. Okay, so test for monoid, ano kailangan natin doon? So let A and B, so sabi let A element of G, okay. So there exists E, so sabi din, no, let A element of G, so may mag-exist daw na identity element. So pwedeng ganito yung gawin natin, no. So let A element of G, so there exists an identity element E, element of G, such that yung A asterisk E is equal to E asterisk A is equal to A. Okay, so lagay lang natin kung ano yung element A na yan, or yung by definition yung A na yan. Lagay ko na lang, no, where, so where, daming dami, where A is equal sa 2 raised to M. So for some M element of integers. So don't forget na maglagay ka nung nung tawag dito, nung structure ng mismong element mo pag mga ganyan cases. So sa kada let mo lagay mo. Okay, so ito yung totality meaning talaga nun. So for every A element of G, there exists an identity element E, so such that A asterisk E is equal to E asterisk A is equal to A. So as we goes by dito sa mga discussion na ito, lalo pag nagpo-prove na tayong group, may kita mo yung pinaka-formal definition ng ating group. So i-recall ko siya sa mga next video. So probably more on groups tayo. So ipo-prove natin na ito ay group, ito ay na formal na yung pinaka-definition. So again, this is just a testing. So tinetest pa lang natin. So papansin mo pa iba-iba yung way ko na start. Although pare-parehas din naman. Okay? So nagbabago-bago lang na itsura, pero totality parehas lang yun. Okay, so proceed. So consider lang natin yung isang part dito, sinabi ko naman sa inyo. So consider si A asterisk E is equal to A. So by definition of asterisk, tapos yung definition na nilagay natin, this is just 2 raised to k, 2 raised to m multiplied by e is equals to 2 raised to m. Okay, so since non-zero tong 2 raised to m, so sa kahit anong value ng m that is not equal to 0. Okay, so kahit negative 1 million pa yung m na yan, that is not 0. So 1 over 2 raised to 1 million yan, hindi pa rin yung 0. Okay, so this is just equal sa e is equal sa 2 raised to m over 2 raised to m, or e is just equal sa 2 raised to m minus m, that is 2 raised to 0. Okay, so what is 2 raised to 0? 2 raised to 0 is 1. Okay, and we all know na yung 2 raised to 0 na yan is pasok pa rin dun sa element g natin. Kasi k is an integer, 0 is an integer. Okay, so meaning, ito ay still element pa rin ni g. Okay, so at least pasok pa rin. So meaning yung monoid natin o yung element natin ay pasok pa rin doon sa G. So again, ito yung importante. Aside sa mahanap mo yung element E, so sa monoid, pag nahanap mo yung element E, dapat sure ka rin na pasok siya sa G. So hindi lang basta, oh may nahanap akong E, okay na yun. Hindi. Pag nahanap mo yung E, tapos hindi mo nakitang pasok sa G, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na monoid siya. Again, so ulit-ulitin kong sabihin yan, pag nahanap mo yung E, tapos hindi mo siya nakitang pasok sa G, mahanap mo man yung E, hindi siya monoid. Okay, so meaning wala yung identity element sa loob ng ating group. Okay, so lastly, we need to test for the semi-group. Pakita ko na rin para makita nyo yung buong naging nangyari sa kanya. So test for the group. So test for group. Test for group. So test per group. So gagawin natin, so ayun nga no, for all A or let A, so let A and E element of G. So since aware na tayo ano yung A na yan, okay, so there exists A inverse element of G. Okay, so such that si A inverse, such that si A asterisk A inverse is equal sa A inverse asterisk A is equal to E. Okay, where, lagay ko na dito, where si A is equal sa 2 raised to M, okay, and E is equal sa 2 raised to 0, then for some M element ng integer. So kahit di mo naman nalagay yung E raised to E is equal to 2 raised to 0 na yan, okay na yan. Okay, kasi nga ando naman na siya eh. Okay, so now consider tayo, pili tayo doon. So iba yung pinipiliin ko, o what if sir pinili mo tong dalawang to. So consider si A inverse asterisk A is equal to E. So binaliktad ko. Okay, so by definition ng ating binary operation, we have A inverse multiplied by 2 raised to M is equal sa 2 raised to 0. Okay, and this is equal lang sa A inverse multiplied by 2 raised to M is equal to 1. And so since yung 2 raised to M is non-zero, pwede ako mag-divide nyan. So this is just A inverse, so this equals sa 1 over 2 raised to M. Okay, ngayon ang tanong, sir, pasok po ba siya sa element of G? So ano ba yung G? Ang G natin is 2 raised to K. But siya that is 1 over 2 raised to M, hindi po siya pasok. Note na pwede natin siyang i-revise or something na gawin ng ganito. This is A inverse is equal sa 2 raised to negative M. Okay, which is now an element of G. Kasi yung negative M is an element of integer. So ibig sabihin, pasok na siya sa element of G. Okay, so therefore, pwede ko na i-conclude. So therefore, si G, so yung G natin, okay, together with this operation multiplication is a group. Okay, so again, kung ano lang, kung saan lang umabot, i-conclude mo lang siya. So tulad nga din ng isa, ito nangyari, no? Sir, ba't asterisk ginamit? So dito kasi ang asterisk natin ang daming operation. Okay, so kung napansin mo, plus, so plus then multiplication. So dito naman, since multiplication naman talaga totally lang yung kanyang operation, so pwede ko nang ilagay din siya G, that is G comma asterisk, o G asterisk or G multiplication is a group. So parehas din naman yun. Okay, so again, ang goal ko ngayon is ipaintindi sa inyo yung structure ng group. kung paano yung magiging flow, kung ano to. So ito ay napaka basic part pa lang. So darating yung time na parang okay, alam kong group na yan, alam kong associative na yan. So darating sa mindset mo someday na fix na pag nakita ko na let G be a group, pasok na sa lahat to, na alam kong may identity element to, alam kong may inverse to, alam kong associative to, then alam kong define yung binary operation dito or close to. Okay, so again, for summary lang, ang pag sinabi mong binary operation is defined, meaning close siya. So paano ba sabing close ang isang set? Close ang isang set, so for example A plus B, yung sum ng dalawang yun is nasa loob pa rin, yung katulad ng ginagawa natin dito. So saan ba yun? Dito. So kunyari M and N is integers, plus yung sum nila is also in integers, close yun. So ganun din dito yung ginagawa sa binary operation. So yung asterisk nilang dalawa, nung A asterisk B, yung A and B is element to G, dapat yung asterisk nilang dalawa o yung product nilang dalawa is pasok din sa G. So meaning yun yung pagiging close, yun yung ibig sabihin o yung disclosure nung sinasabi kong binary operation. Yan. Now we have this number 4 for the last example. So prove or disprove that R plus, so that is positive real number, so where yan, comma asterisk, where asterisk is A asterisk B is equal to A over B, AB over 2 is a group. Okay, so prove or disprove. So probably may chance na baka disprove siya. Tapos dito, since nakalagay prove or disprove, hindi mo lalagay yung word na test, hindi mo lalagay yung word na test for BO, test for semigroup, test for monoid, and test for group. Automatic talaga, let la lang. So tuloy-tuloy. Okay, so consider natin to. So since proving siya, consider tayo dito. So ito yung proof. So hoping na mapagkasya ni sir. Okay, so let A and B. So start tayo dito. So let A and B element of G. Okay, so may iba bang structure yung G natin? Yung element A and B natin. So aware lang tayo na A and B na yan is positive real number. So no need to write such that na ito ay positive. Kasi alam mo na itsura niyan eh. Kumbaga hindi siya ibang form. Hindi siya kakaibang form. Okay, so ayun na siya. So let A and B element of G. So no, wala nang such that. So consider. So punta dito, consider si A asterisk B. Okay, so note that A asterisk B is just equal by definition. A asterisk B is just equal sa AB over 2. So this is AB over 2. So ngayon, ito yung magiging tanong. So before ka mag-decide kung siya ba ay element ng G, saan galing si A and B? Si A and B are both positive real numbers. Tama? So pag nakaisip ka ng dalawang positive real numbers, ano yung product nila? Ang product ng dalawang positive real numbers is positive real numbers. I-divide ko siya sa 2, this is also a positive real numbers. Okay, so lagay ka na lang dito para malagay. Note that, so para meron kayong ano. Note that AB is an element of real number or positive real number. And A over B divided by 2 is also an element of positive real number. So wala masyadong effect yan. So therefore, this is an element of, so lagay ko na lang no. So yung AB o yung A asterisk B is an element of G or positive real numbers pa rin yan. So yan yun siya. So sure ako na to A times B over 2 is positive real number. So ganun dito mag reasoning. So sir, pwede ko minsan isulat. Just mas maganda I think isulat mo rin. So kumbaga parang i-note mo lang sa gilid. Kumbaga ilagay mo lang siya as parang explanation mo para at least nababantayan mo rin. Hindi yan siyempre okay na isip ko na alam ko na yung element na yun ng G. Hindi basta-basta ganun. So sa akin nga tulad ko, ako alam ko na element na siya ng G. Okay, so kung ikaw beginner ka, so as beginner guide, siguro maglagay ka tulad yan. Naglalagay ako na parang note sa gilid na okay, alam ko siya. Okay, so parenthesis mo na gano'n para makita ko na parang note mo lang siya na okay, ganda siya. Okay, so now, tapos na tayo sa pagiging na-prove na siya ay close under the, so alam natin na yung binary operation is defined, so no need to conclude. Again, hindi mo rin kailangan i-conclude yun. Now, let naman tayo dito. Now let A, B, and C element of G. Okay, then consider consider natin yung pangalawang cases natin yung sa pagiging associative. So consider si A asterisk B asterisk C is equal sa A asterisk B asterisk C. Okay, then proceed tayo dun sa ating pattern. So ulit tayo, ang pattern ay AB over 2, no? So ito ay magiging AB over 2. So this is AB over 2. So pangalawa na bagong element siya. So asterisk C is equal sa A asterisk ng BC over 2. So ayun yung pinagkaiba. Okay, so next is anong gagawin natin sunod dito? After neto, this AB asterisk 2. So ano ba yung nagiging pattern? Nagiging pattern is itong element na to multiply doon divided by 2. So ito ay magiging AB over 2 multiplied by C all over 2. Tama? And this is A multiplied by BC over 2 all over 2. Okay, so nasusunod ka pa yung pattern. So next is manipulate lang natin. So it is obvious that this is ABC over 4 is equal sa ABC over 4. Okay, so ganyan yung kanyang magiging parang, so ibig sabihin siya ay associative. Okay, so next natin na gagawin is something na magalit tayo. So dito na lang, no? So ito sunod natin. So alam natin na associative siya. So check mo lang dito para goods ka dyan. So next is syempre kailangan natin makuha yung existence ng kanyang identity element. So dito ko nalagay. So let tayo dito. So hindi, wag yan, sorry. So wag na let. So for all A, so for all A element of G, so nilahat ko na, there exists an E element of G such that, so ito yung pinaka-formal kasi sa pag-prove niya. So for all A element of G, there exists E element of G. So dapat nga ganun din dito. For all A, B, C element of G, there exists. For all A, B, C element of G, then ito yan. Okay, so dito naman for all A element of G, there exists E element of G such that A asterisk E, this is A asterisk E is equal to E asterisk A is equal to A. Okay, so consider lang natin yung isa dyan part. So consider, so pili tayo. So consider si A asterisk E is equal to A. Okay, so by definition of ating binary operation, this is AE over 2 is equal to A. Okay, so note that this is something na this is AE is equal to 2A. Then divide both side by A. So ito ba yung tanong? Si A ba is non-zero? So sure ako na non-zero si A kasi element siya nung real number, positive real number. So sure ako na siya ay non-zero. So divide both side by A. So this is just E is equal sa 2A over A, which is E is equal to 2. So tanong, yung 2 ba is element ng real number? Yes, element siya ng positive real numbers to be specific. So this is element ng G. Okay, so wag niyong kalimutan na yung G na tinutukoy ko yan o yung G na tinutukoy ko na yan is yung ating set na pinag-uusapan doon. So wag kalimutan yan. So meaning, meron tayo identity element pasok sa loob niya. So alam natin na siya ay monoid. Okay, then lastly, for all A element of G, okay, so there exists A inverse element of G. So ayun nga sabi ko, no, kahit di mo nasulat yung E na yan, so kahit di ko na, kahit kanina kasi ginawa ko, no, for all A, so let A and E element of G. So gaya yung sabi ko, kahit di mo nasulat kasi nga lumabas naman na dito, tuloy-tuloy ka lang din. So for all A element of G, there exists A inverse element of G such that A asterisk A inverse is equal to A inverse asterisk A is equal to E. So pili na lang tayo dyan. So consider natin si A asterisk A inverse is equal to E. Then substitute natin yung value ng E tapos nung A natin o nung binary operation. So this is just A inverse all over 2 is equal to 2. Okay, then note that this is A inverse is equal to 4. And since A is non-zero, so pwede natin sabihin na A inverse is just equal sa 4 over A. Okay, so yan yung formula. So ngayon tanong, ito ba ay non-zero? Yes, non-zero pa rin yan kasi yung A is something na non-zero doon. Okay, so therefore this is still an element of G natin. Okay? So, yung R plus comma asterisk is a group. Okay, and that is done. So ngayon, show natin. Para mas maintindihan mo, sir, patunayan mo ano ba ibig sabihin yan. Okay, ganito gawin natin ha. Kuha ko ng dalawang element ng G. So, yung G natin is R+. So, for example, kumuha ko ng element na kinuha ko yung element na 1 and 2. So, wala lang to ha. So, may example lang to. So, for example, kinuha ko yung element na 1/2, tapos yung B is 1/4. So, para sa element na positive real numbers yan. Kasi 0.2 sa kasi, 0.5 sa 0.25 yan. So, positive real numbers yan. So, yung product ba nila, okay, o yung A asterisk B ba, is still, so yung A asterisk B ba, is still element of G. So, ano yung definition ng A asterisk B? So, wag kalimutan, A asterisk B is 1/2 times 1/4 all over 2. Okay, so that is 1/8 or simply 1/16. Okay, so tanong, yung 1/16 pa, pasok pa rin ba doon? Yes, pasok pa rin siya dyan. So again, hindi ko kinu-close na yung mindset na yung R plus na yan is just fraction. So pwedeng whole number na positive. Okay, pwedeng 1 billion tapos puro decimal, okay lang din yun. Even si pi nandiyan dyan, even si irrational E nandiyan dyan din. Okay, so yan yung mga yan. Ngayon, yung tanong, ano po yung inverse ni A based dito? Okay, note na identity element. Ito yung tanong ha. Sir, paano mo malalaman na identity element si 2? Diba sabi mo sir, para malaman ko identity element yung 2 na yan, pag nag-multiply ako ng any number, so tulad natin si 1/2, pag in-asterisk ko si 1/2 dyan, dapat ang sagot si 1/2 din. Tama? So, baka duda ka pa rin. So, try natin. So, try natin i-asterisk si 1/2 kay 2. Okay, so baka isipin mo, so ang asterisk natin is ito yung binary operation. So this is just equals 1/2 times 2 all over 2, and that is just equals 1/2. Bumalik. Okay, so baka duda ka pa, kuha pa tayo na iba. So for example, si 1/4 o si 3/4, ayan, sa 3/4 asterisk 2. So this is equal lang sa 3/4 multiplied by 2 all over 2. Okay, note that 3/4 times 2 is 3/2. Divided by 2 is just 3/4 pa rin. Okay, then bumalik pa siya. Okay, so napaka-dali niya. Okay, next, check natin sa kanyang inverse. So, ano yung inverse ni 1/2? So, ang inverse ni 1/2, okay, so, ang inverse ni 1/2 natin is, para sa sulat yun. So, ganito yung sulat na. Ito yung formula ha. Ang inverse ni 1/2, dito ko nalagay. Isang solution ko. Hindi na kasya. Okay, so pakita ko dito. So, aware tayo na ang inverse ni 1/2. So, paano yung sulat? Diba ito yung formula, no? A inverse is equal to 4/A. So, ganito yung sulat yan. So, 1/2 inverse, ganyan yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, i-inverse ko lang. Inverse ng 1/2. 1/2 inverse is just 4/1/2, and that is equal to 8, I guess. Okay, so meaning yung inverse daw ni 1/2 is 8 based sa group na to. So ngayon, para malaman natin na siya ay totoong inverse, dapat ang product ni 1/2 sa ni 8 is identity element, which is 2. Tama ba? Ang asterisk dapat ni 1/2 sa ni 8 is 2. Ganoon dapat yung mangyari. Again, dapat ang asterisk ni 1/2 sa ni 8 is 2. Kasi yun ang sabi ng condition. A asterisk, so A asterisk A inverse must be E. Okay, so proceed tayo dito. So kunin natin, so this is 1/2 asterisk 8 is just equal sa 1/2 times 8 all over 2. So note that 8 times 1/2 is 4. So 4 divided by 2 is just 2, which is yung E. Okay, so tama tayo. So meaning, tama ka na nakuha ng identity element, tawa ka nakuha ng inverse. So yeah, one way din para ma-check mo yung gawa mo. So katulad din no kanina. So ito, sir, ma-check ba namin dito? Tulad po dito, ma-check po ba namin dito na ito ay may inverse something sa kanya? Yes, ma-check yan kasi siya ay group, no? So aware tayo na group siya. So kunyari kumuha tayo ng element doon. So, ikaw na lang kumuha. Kuha ka ng element, kunyari 2/4, 2/3. Tapos, ngayon, kunin mo yung inverse ng 2/4 using yung formula na to. Okay, so yung inverse ng 2/4 Inverse ng 2 raised to 4 is just 2 raised to negative m. So, alam mo na yung gagawin dun. Okay, so dapat makita mo rin yan. Okay, or that is 1 over a. So, 1 over a, in terms of, diba, 2 raised to negative m siya. So, pwedeng gawin itong ganito, or lagay kong ganito para in terms of, this is 1 over a. Okay, para pag kinuha mo yung inverse, ano mangyari? Kunyari, gusto kong kunin yung 2 raised to 2 inverse. So, inverse, ibig sabihin nito dito, based sa formula, this is just equal sa 1 over 2 raised to 2. Okay, note na yun yung inverse na. Ang inverse na is 1 over 2 raised to 2 or just 2 raised to negative 2, which is tama naman kasi pag minultiply ko yun dun, parang ni-raise ko sa exponent. Pero syempre, idea ng abstract algebra yung ginagamit natin dito. Okay, so hoping na na-gets mo to. So, bahapyaw pa lang ito ng proving ng group. So, ang ginawa ko is just isa lang yung pinrove ko na group, puro nag-test tayo sa mga binary operation. So pinakita ko muna structure by structure, in-explain ko muna siya totally. Gusto ko munang maintindihan nyo or maisalpak nyo sa isip nyo kung paano ba gumagana tong subject na to. So again, this is just a basic part of our subject. So again, thank you for watching, hoping na may natutunan ka.